Hi everyone, welcome back. This is part 3 of system of equations solving by elimination. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing, notice they're not line up. So we don't have that x's with the x's, y's with the y's, and then the number by itself. So that will be the first step to arrange the terms. So I'm gonna put the x first and then the y. So let's go ahead and do that. 3x plus 5y equals 5. So notice all I did was just put this in the front. It's positive, and this is a positive 5. Now, since we have 12 equals 4y plus 4x, I'm just going to go ahead and put the 12 on the right side and put 4x first. Okay, so 4x plus 4y equals 12. So again, all I did was put the 4x in the front and then the 12 on the right side. Okay, now notice if I add or subtract, nothing will cancel out. So what you're going to do is decide first if you want to cancel the x's or the y's. In this case, I want to cancel the x's because 3 and 4 are smaller than 5 and 4, which is not bad. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to multiply the top one by 4 so I can get 12, and the bottom one by negative 3 so I can get negative 12. Okay, so top one by 4. So 4 times 3 is 12x. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20y, and equals to 20 because 4 times 5. Okay, now the bottom one, we're going to multiply by negative 3. Negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. Negative 3 times 4y is negative 12y. And negative 3 times 12 is equal to negative 36. Okay, now we can add because the 12x and the negative 12x are opposite of each other. So when we add them up, this becomes 0. So that's good. That's what we wanted. Then 20y plus negative 12y is equal to 8y equals to 20 plus a negative 36. We subtract them, and we're going to get negative 16. Now divide by 8 on both sides of the equal sign, and we get y equals negative 2. Okay, now you have a few options. You can either plug it into this equation or this one. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, or you can go over here to the original ones. Either way it works. Okay, let's say you're like, okay, I'm gonna pick one of the original ones, and let's go ahead and pick the top one because this one has 5, 3, and 5 instead of a 12, 4, and 4. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and write it down. 5, put parentheses, plus 3x is equal to 5. So notice all I did was copy it down, erase the y, and put parentheses in its place. Now let's go ahead and put the negative 2 for the y right here. And we get negative 10 plus 3x is equal to 5. And then add 10 to both sides of the equal sign because you want to have that 3x by itself. That is 0. This is good. So you get 3x equals 15. Divide by 3 on both sides, and we get x is equal to 5. Okay, so our solution for this system is going to be 5 comma negative 2. Okay, so hopefully that helps, and I'll see you next time.